Hello and welcome to the Year 9 options video for GCSE Computer Science at Royds Hall Share Academy. A little bit about the course. At Key Stage 4 we offer GCSE Computer Science. In Year 10 this is how our learning journey looks. So we start the course with looking at memory and storage and intertwine it across component 1 and component 2 as we advance into algorithms and programming techniques, where we learn to program using the programming language Python. As you advance through the course, we look at systems architecture, looking at the hardware, the software used by computers, and then developing through Boolean logic and ethical, legal, cultural, and environmental impacts. We try to entwine both units in order to keep it interesting and also to work upon your programming skills. As we advance through Year 11, we look at computer networks, protocols, network security, system software, robust programming techniques, so we continue to develop your programming skills further, and then we look at additional programming techniques before we enter the GCSE exam period in May. A little bit about the course. The exam board that we follow is OCR. The qualification consists of 2 components. Each component is assessed by an exam at the end of Year 11, and each paper is 1 hour 30 minutes. You'll be awarded a grade from 1 to 9 based upon your performance. The 2 components that we look at, that we entwine, are computer systems and component 2, computational thinking, algorithm and programming. The components are interlinked, and therefore we will study both components at the same time. A little bit of information: we only offer this course as an option if you are making strong progress in maths, science and computing across Key Stage 3. Without going into too much detail, these are some of the things that you can expect to study across both units. The component 2 looks like it's much smaller, but it involves looking at a lot more advanced programming techniques and building upon that throughout the course. So the assessment, because it's 2 units, you will do 2 exams, each at the end of Year 11. Each paper is 1 hour 30 minutes, and each paper has a total score of 80. Both papers are equally weighted towards the final grade, which means we take an average of both papers, and then the exam board gives you a grade based upon their exam boundaries. And as I say, those grades range from 1 to 9. So where can this take you in the future? Many students who study GCSE Computer Science advance to studying A-level Computer Science at college, and then many of them then go on and advance to study Computer Science as a degree at university. According to the Prospects website, job options that relate directly to studying GCSE Computer Science at degree and GCSE and A-level, an application analysis, data analysis, forensic computer analysis, game designers, which I know that a lot of students have an interest in when they sign up to the GCSE qualification, and that directly relates to what we're doing when we are doing Python programming. Games developers, penetration testers, also known as ethical hackers, which you also learn about in Year 9. Software engineers, web developers and web designers, and there are lots more jobs aside from this that links into. I do hope you consider computer science as an option to study in Year 10, and if you have any questions, please feel free to speak to your computing teacher or myself, the head of department, Mr. Myers. Thank you.